Out here. All right, welcome to South Dakota. We've got the girls, Lydia and Maggie. We've got the ice house. We're back on this lake where we caught a bunch of pike the other day. It was like -20 this morning. It's warming up a little bit because we have a south wind and that's really strong right now, but it's still ridiculously cold. We are gonna do a 24-hour ice fish here though, or at least an overnight. We're gonna do an overnight ice house ice fishing adventure. We're gonna drill around a little bit here first and just see what the bottom looks like, see if we can find some fish out here. Woo! It's windy, it's cold. Let's try and find some fish quick and get this ice house warmed up, get it dropped down, and catch some fish hopefully tonight. Wow, that's crazy. We didn't show a lot of the setup here at the ice house because it's like 30 miles an hour wind, and we actually got stuck in a snowdrift a little bit before where I wanted to fish, so I had to unhook the SUV and take the trailer off, and we're just gonna fish there because I can't really do too much else. Woo. It's cold, it's windy, we're in a nice warm ice house. We're gonna drill some holes, start fishing. All right. Woo. What Lydia's using. This is what we caught the pike on last time, just a totally normal full-size jig. Put a full-size minnow on there. A lot of pike in this lake. We're gonna catch them. What am I gonna use? Also a flutter spoon. Jig head, or with a minnow head.
I'm fishing for perch.
Down.
And
Down. Everybody on there?
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Sweet. Pretty funny, huh? It's all jig at the same time. Jig, jig, jig. We're all jigging. Yeah, we just wait for fishies.
Now it's like a herd of minis.
It's getting late. We did not catch any fish. So we're gonna be vegans tonight. Well, vegetarians, because I've got some butter. We've got some potatoes, some onions. We were gonna make like a fish stew with that. But unfortunately, we're making potatoes and onions. Right, girls? Yeah, but at least we got food, so it could be worse. All right, I'm gonna cook this up and okay. What we're doing here is we've got these rattle wheels, and what they do is they've got a little bell inside. Hang them on the wall. Fish bites at night. You hear it. He wakes you up, hopefully, right, mate?
Yep. If you're not too sound of a sleeper.
So I've got this fly line I put on it. Tip it down a little bit, D, so people can see. And then what we're gonna do is tie this on, and then tie a little piece of clear line to the end of this. It's like a little alarm clock for fish. See, so I got that tied on. set. Heating the place up nicely. Cooking.
Smells good.
Camping vegetarian. Maggie? Not even
Those
good.
are good. You put the.
Very, very good. Tell us how it was, Dee.
Good.
How was it, Maggie?
Good.
Yeah. What was the secret ingredient?
Onion and butter.
Beer.
Oh yeah,
I
beer.
put a little beer in there because it stick to the bottom a little too much. It's starting to stick.
Water.
54 degrees in here, 46% humidity. It's not bad, huh? Check this out. I mean, the wind is just ripping out there. It's like 30 miles an hour. It's gusty. Oh, there we go. Seems like it was 2 seconds ago. It was just one of those giant gusts. We're packing it in for the night. We didn't catch any fish, but we're still having quite the adventure. And Maggie forgot her backpack in the van. So that's always fun. But see you in the morning. All right. We survived. Heat's still going. Girls, how did you do last night?
Good.
Did you? Oh, the fog there. Too cold?
No.
Good.
All my sleeping bag went down to the bottom.
Did it?
My other sleeping bag.
I had 2 sleeping bags. I got a little cold. I had to put my hood on and go underneath the sleeping bag. Whew. So Victor's gonna come out and help us get this trailer out of the snowbank. We're kind of stuck still. Definitely a different spot, right, girls? We didn't really want to fish this spot. We just got stuck. Head on out. Let's go see how nice it is out, right? 8 a.m. Pop this trailer up. Get my drill out. Be ready when Victor comes. Victor's on his way. He's a good friend. See, last night we got in some snow here. There's a bunch of snow piled up on the east side because I had to dig out where the SUV was right here. It's not that deep, but the SUV just barely tows this trailer as it is. Currently that's my only vehicle with 4-wheel drive, so that's what I have to use. All right, let's pop this thing. Good afternoon, we're back after sleeping on the ice. We're on a different lake. This is the lake where Maggie caught that giant 28-inch walleye recently. If you saw that episode, if you haven't, you should go back and watch it. It was wild. And our cameras are freezing up like crazy. I hope that doesn't happen today, but it probably will. But today we've got Victor, a couple of his kids, a couple of my kids. Maggie and Lydia are back at it. And We've got an ice house today, or a little ice shack with Victor, so we're gonna keep the GoPros running, hopefully. If we don't, we'll just keep using my phone, you know, as a video camera. Here's the kids. Lots of kids. Victor's got 3 with us.
Hi.
And I've got Lady and Maggie. We got 3 sleds.
Come on, Robbie.
And hopefully we don't freeze. All right, Perch and walleye are the goals. It's the middle of the day right now. What time is it, Vic? Like 11? Noon? What, 11:30, yeah, so we could probably be out here for 4 hours and hit the sunset bite. We'll see. There's Victor. You've seen him before fishing. He knows these lakes. He's the one that introduced me to this lake in eastern South Dakota. It's awesome out here. Windy, but awesome. Let's go catch some fish. Thanks. I'll just hang here though, it's easy. Thank you, Maggie. It's windy out here. Get him? Oh, you had him. I saw the weight.
Is that a perch?
Yeah.
Good job, Vic.
Still there? More of a perch.
Oh,
He's coming back. Now you got a pack of them.
Can I hold this rod?
Good deal.
I would wait for it.
Here, Lydia, hold this, please.
There we go.
Oh, wait, first fish of the day. First fish on film. Let's see what we got. All right, Vic, a chub. That's a fatty. Count it, dude. Nice job. That's a keeper for sure, huh, kids? Put him in the fish bucket.
Fish bucket.
No.
Fish bucket.
Where did it snow?
All right, Tina. Oh, number 2.
Holy smokes.
They're about the same size.
Yeah, next one.
All right.
They're about the same size.
Thank goodness our ice house is on a school because it's like 30-mile-an-hour winds outside. It's literally
Man,
insane.
he came out of nowhere though. Come on. There we go, Beckett. Come on, reel. Keep reeling.
All right, keeper. Beckett, first one.
Woohoo!
Beckett, give me 5,
Got
buddy.
fish, Pete.
Watch the line. Got him. Oh, did you miss him? Here, oh, just wait for him. He's still looking at it. See? Still looking. Get ready to reel this time. Might need to move back the chair a little or something.
Just hold back your fishing pole and
Lifting a little bit. Get him! All right, Maggie! Get him! Get him! Keep it tight. He's gonna pop. Maggie's got one. Maggie!
Good job, Maggie.
Good job, big chunky one.
give that to Dad.
I got
Wow.
one here.
Keeper.
Woohoo.
Good, Maggie.
You put it in.
High five, buddy. Beauty.
You might.
Okay, keep it tight. There you go. See how you're on the bottom? Yeah. Oh, yeah. He's turned around. See him turn around?
Here goes.
Oh, man, you got a pack of them. For sure gonna get one. Pull it up, check. Make them chase a little bit or something.
Here's one. Okay.
Oh, yeah, now I can see yours, Vic.
Crossing.
Look at them all, Maggie. Pounding on the bottom a little bit. So they're chasing victors. They're chasing victors. Right?
Tina's got one right now. 2 on there. Well, yeah, but.
Keep on reeling.
Right around you, buddy.
Is it?
Oh, it's probably a
Perch.
Oh, monster. Dude, hold it up in front of this GoPro there.
Wow.
Maggie, you got
Look at
one?
that.
Maggie's got one, guys. She didn't even tell us. Hey, lures.
Doubling up.
Buddy, doubling up.
Purchase.
Purchase Porsche, Maggie.
Hurry, Dad, get it out.
All right, let's let D have a turn now, Maggie. Switch spots.
Okay.
Get out.
Lydia, change shares with Maggie.
Here.
Purge, ding ding. Vic, what's the other go?
I want that. Lydia, here. Come on, let it down.
No.
Yeah, we gotta get that quick.
Just a sec.
Oh, I got one too. Whoa, first one for Dad.
Here, Beckett, hold this one. Hold this one.
Woo.
Nice bird.
Big old slab.
Oh,
Big
yeah.
old slab of a perch.
Perch. Lydia, that was really hot. Lydia.
Hey, buddy.
No, I mean, it wasn't like when you did.
You fish up higher though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
When it's so windy, we might need them all.
These bad boys are smoking.
Good deal.
Get him, Maggie. Oh, he's chasing. Let him chase. Maggie, go get him. Get him.
Oh, yeah, I think he's still there.
Maggie, reel.
Real, he's got
Reel,
it.
Maggie. Your line is loose because he's on there. There you go. Look at him chasing it. Look at him chase. See him chasing? Oh, get him, Maggie. Set the hook.
Oh, that's
there
a big
you
one.
go.
I can see it on mine.
Nice. Maggie got a walleye.
Yay!
She hasn't gotten it yet. Good. Keep fighting them nice and gentle. Wow, that's big.
I see him!
Is it a big walleye?
Oh, it's a nice walleye.
Oh, slick, slide him up.
Walleye.
Perfect, Maggie, eat her. All right, buddy. So Maggie producing again.
Switch. Okay.
Oh, D, you got one? You get him?
Oh,
Say
dude, got
something, buddy. I'm trying to film.
Look at that. That's a monster.
We got 2 more now.
That was good.
right.
I'm glad it didn't fall off in the water. Yeah.
Spitting up these little red worms.
Oh, look at that.
They're like the little worms that this perch just spit out. They're eating some kind of worms in this mud here in 25 feet
Fish
of
right
water.
on the bottom. Yeah, so.
They're like little red worms, some kind of larva or something. Pretty cool.
Okay. So Tina.
Fired up! Look,
Here we go, back it.
Reel, reel,
All right, Beckett. Crank it, Beckett, crank
I
it.
got one!
It's a good one.
Oh,
All right, Dee's got one too.
I got a perch too!
All right.
Whoa!
Oh, double, ding, ding, ding. See, Vic.
Ding, ding. Yes, I got it!
Good job,
Got a
D.
big
go.
one!
All right. Whoa, big perch. Huge
Oh,
Giant
that's
perch.
the biggest one!
Beauty,
Maggie's
D.
coming to you.
Beauty.
Oh, he's coming towards one of us, Dad. There's a perch!
Look at that. Maggie's bumping into him. You gotta make it. Set the hook. Set the hook. All right.
Did you get
on video. On video.
That's
Oh
awesome.
my gosh, dude. All right, Jumbo.
Jeez.
Wow.
That's another big.
Holy mackerel. Look at that. We can lip them.
That's like a 13.
What do we got here?
Daddy, bring one, get back
Oh, he's
down.
past 12 inches.
Yeah,
isn't he?
12 and a half.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just follow
13.
it.
12 and a half inch perch. That's a giant. Okay.
Where are we going?
There's one. Okay. Tina. Tina. Here you go. Take it.
Hold still, D. Hold still. Hold still. They're all fired up because Victor's doing one, so they're all coming rushing in. Twitch like this. Twitches. Okay. There you go. Perfect.
It's a perch.
It is a perch.
All right,
Maggie, watch
guys.
out. Maggie, watch
Maggie,
out.
don't block D. She's looking. Twitch. Oh, D. D, hook him. All right. We got him on film. Beautiful.
Oh, very
You're
good.
sitting on the fish bucket.
You're gonna get thumped.
Pick up the fish on mine. Daddy can take it in my bite.
Ooh, look at that, Maggie. Twitch. Oh, Maggie. Here he comes. When he nips, you get him. Get him! All right! That works great, dude.
What did
he
you
like
get?
picks it up in his
What
mouth.
kind?
Before you
Perch,
can
it's a
It's a
perch.
perch.
feel it.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's so big.
Second. There he is. Wow. Jumbaroo.
I got one.
Oh, there's a walleye.
That's a walleye. I told you, dude.
At least we got lots, Dad. It's not a bunker yet.
I got him. Right on film, dude.
Film.
Yeah.
Not a very big
Jumbo.
one.
Wow. Yay! The big save. He's out.
Big save is right. That's perfect.
High fives all around.
Yeah, high five.
Alright, coffee and beer, kids. Oh, you didn't bring my beer?
Uh-oh.
I need some beers tonight. Holy smokes.
I got one.
Alright, buddy. Holy cow,
Giant.
That ridiculous. South Dakota gold. So the halftime update, well, it's not the halftime, this is like evening bite finally kicking on. They've been really slow and sluggish. Except when you get them up. They've been super slow. I mean, we literally have about 30 of them in one
So
walleye,
grab
about
that
30
black
big
line
perch,
and
which
put
is
it in
awesome.
Boom!
That feels
bigger. Look,
this is definitely bigger. Oh, told you. All right.
perfect. Another Walter.
Yay!
All right,
13 and a half.
13 and 3/4.
You want to get
Just like we thought. 13 and 3/4 inch Walter. Just perfect size for keeping. Well, we could probably use some 14 inches, 15 inches too, but second walleye of the day, it's starting to get dark. Sure enough, walleyes are moving in and they're starting to bite.
It's like a whole bucket. All right, Becky, better sit down before he jumps.
Crazy, huh, kids? They're down here. It's insane. All right, how do you like that? It was hard to film because it was so cold and windy, but we finally got the tent set up, and man, we had to work for these fish. You saw how picky they were. They were just sitting there, nitpicking at our baits. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 perch, 2 walleyes. Awesome time. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Victor, for the awesome ice fishing tent, which saved us today for sure. See you on the next one. That's what we're dealing with out here. We thought this episode was over, but that's what 30-mile-an-hour winds and minus 20 degrees looks like. I can't even have my glove off for like a minute just to do this film, so I gotta go. Thanks for watching though, man.